Let's get some loops in there as well. So let's go to the Mark Knight Sample Pack Volume 3. This is Toolroom's latest sample pack when we were filming this. This was a collaboration between Mark and myself, with me engineering Okay, let's grab that loop, stick it in. Okay, that'll do for now. Let's add in a percussion loop. That sounds like a very Toolroom style tech house loop. So if I put that in there. Okay, so I'm going to send these two loops to my percussion group. I tend to turn the overdrive up on the Sony Oxford Transmod, which goes on the percussion group. So the kick doesn't go to this group. This is just for everything rhythmic in the drums that isn't the kick. And you'll notice as well that that's actually clipping it at 0 dB. So I know that this group will never go over 0 dB. So I'm also going to do a high pass, low cut, just to make sure we're not getting any of that 50, 20 hertz rumble, all that stuff. That's not needed for this group. We're going to let the kick and bass do all that. And probably going to take this, I think this is getting in the way a little bit. Okay, that's a really good start. So there's a basic groove. I could go into more detail, but these ones are kind of off-the-shelf sample pack grooves that seem to work with a lot of things. They deliver for this kind of record that I'm going to make now.